Hey guys, John here. Hopefully the readings and videos are going well. Each course, it seems like most students have a hard time finding full text articles and then being able to cite them properly. So I just want to give you a quick video on ways that I find it, on what works the best for me, and hopefully you find it informative. So what you can use are APTA members. There's definitely sites on there, sources on there. You can find full text articles. If you're a ortho section member, JSBT is an amazing source to be able to find full text articles. You can just kind of type in what you're looking for, hip differential diagnosis, and then kablamo, a whole bunch of full text articles will pop up. Most people end up using PubMed. It's kind of hit and miss, more misses than hits on if you can get full text articles. Most of them want you to pay. Sometimes you can get lucky and email the person who actually wrote the article, and more times than not, they will provide the article for you, but that just seems like more work. So what I end up using is this site called Sci-Hub, which works amazing. So I just randomly pulled up the Ryman article from this first module, and then the website for Sci-Hub is on top. So if you want to plug that in and then save that, or bookmark it wherever, I think this is going to be pretty beneficial for you. So I just randomly picked the Ryman article. So on the first page, you will always find a DOI and then a whole bunch of numbers. So all this stuff here. So I blew it up and highlighted it. That's what you're going to look for. So you're going to look for that DOI, copy that. More times than not, it's on top, and this article just happened to be on the bottom of the first page. So you copy that, you go to the Sci-Hub website and plug that in, or paste it, and ta-da, there it is. Works on almost every single article that's out there, so it saves a whole bunch of time trying to find abstracts that will turn into a full text, but works way slick. So then you just download it using that guy. From there, that's where it was downloaded. You can either choose a file in your assignment taskbar, or this button here will attach a file also. And then when you go to submit, your full text article will be included. Citing, the big thing is you just want to make sure that it's in the right combination of going author first, making sure that the last name is first, title of the article, journal, the date, the volume, the pages. So if there is more than 2 authors, you can put the et al., this thing right there. If there's 2 authors, then you have to list both of the authors. So I also just chose the Ryman article. So that one was nice and convenient. There was 3 of them, so we're going to do Ryman. First initial of his first initial of his middle. You only capitalize the first letter of the first word. For the title, British Journal of Sports Med, the date, the volume, and then the pages. And then when you list your references, just list them in alphabetical order from the author's last name. So a lot of times, most people will go into PubMed, find whatever article they're looking for, and then go into the Sci-Hub website, and that works pretty slick. So I'm looking forward to reading your guys' first posts, and if you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks.